Gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Cipla Limited. Face value of the scrip 2 rupees. 52 weeks high 814 rupees 50 paisa. Dated 10th of August 2020. 52 weeks low 355.3. Dated 13th of March 2020. Closing price 795.6. Dated 10th of August 2020. This is the 15 days data analysis. According to this, 739.7 acts as a resistance, support level is 644.25 and the traded volume is pretty decent. This is the 1 month data analysis. According to this, 739.70 acts as a resistance, support level is 631.25. Traded volume is pretty decent. This is the 1 year graph. From the month of April, you can see the scrip is moving in a pattern of higher top and higher bottom, which indicates an upward movement only. According to the RSI, Relative Strength Index, it is in the overbought zone. You can see the blue line is touching the red line, which indicates overbought situation, where a normal selling can come in and push the scrip down. I repeat, a normal selling can come and push the scrip down. It's a temporary phenomena only. The Japanese candlestick chart. Here you can see that script has taken good support around 620 rupees level. It has started moving up. If suppose it breaks below, then 562 acts or 563 acts as a next support level, and below that the scrip is very weak. Now there is no such scenario, but the scrip is moving in an upward direction. It is above 700 plus. The important point to be noticed, if the scrip is moving in the same pattern, it will make an upward movement, subject that we should see the volume also. If it comes down and breaks below 696 or 700 rupees below with volume, then we should be really careful. Below 700 rupees itself, the selling pressure will push the scrip down. Above 700, certainly the buying will pull the scrip up. The total study which we have done in this particular recording is based on the past performance of the scrip, which is subjected to market conditions in which all type of risks are involved. The risk factor is there. Here I like to announce, we are not promoting any individual scrip or any company. We are making an educational video, purpose knowledge sharing. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate.